Hi, this is Kimball Bullington, and this is a tutorial for creating cause and effect diagrams in Excel. I have open a blank spreadsheet. I'm going to change the page layout to landscape and change the view to a page layout just because it helps in the way we see it. And then we begin to build. So we insert shapes and we insert an arrow. And I go down here and try to draw a straight arrow. And once I have that arrow, I want to format it so it looks a little bit better. So we go over here to width, and width we'll go up to 3 weight, and color is black. So we have the trunk line of our cause and effect diagram. I also want to insert some category lines. So go back, insert arrows, and I draw in some arrows at approximately a 45-degree angle. 1, 2, 3 wide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that works pretty well for 45, 9 high by 3 wide. Let's format this, and I'm going to format it just slightly less thick, so 2.5 weight. We'll change the color there. And so we have our category line, the first one. And we want to copy this, paste, paste. Actually, we want to do this 3 times. And so the first one I'll move to here. We're keeping a 3-cell separation here. And then this one to here. I'm going to truncate the main line here, and this one I'm going to well, I need to spin it around. So we'll move it up, intersecting here, and make it 3 right wide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So should be pretty close to symmetrical. So I copy this, paste, paste, and I have my cause and effect diagram skeleton. The skeleton of the fishbones, called a fishbone diagram, also called an Ishikawa diagram. We also need to insert some text boxes so we can label our categories and our cause categories. And so I will call the first one manpower. Now we need to format this, and I'm going to select no line. Actually, that was my default. And I'll come back in here and change the font. Let's make it a 12 point. Depends on your presentation. You want it to be large enough to see, and then you can change the font. You can go with a sort of standard Times New Roman or something different. I went with the Tahoma here. And now once you have the text box the way you like, then you copy it and you paste it. And I'm going to paste it around my diagram, and we'll come back and edit these labels. Now this one out here, the I may want to make it even a little bit bigger. Bold. I'm going to go with Tahoma, and on each one of these, it looks like I lost my font for some reason or other, because I wanted that Tahoma, and I didn't end up doing it. So I have to I guess I didn't do it over here. No, I lost it here. So if you copied that in the first place, I just wasn't careful enough, then you wouldn't have to just keep editing that. But let's change these methods, and here we're going to make this materials. And again, I'm going to change the font just real quickly. Measurements. Make this one machines. If equipment works better for you, then do that. I like to have students start with these 6 sort of traditional cause categories, and then see what happens. See, does it make sense? Do they make sense, or should you edit them, change them in some ways? But I don't like the idea of just doing just a random set of categories. Now, this one is typically called Mother Nature, and so we have 6 categories that start with the letter M. It's just a little bit easy to remember that way. Now, this particular one, I don't like this one, and I use environment instead of Mother Nature. The reason why I do that is when people say Mother Nature, they just think of sustainability, recycling, issues like that. We say environment, then we can think of cultural environment, political environment, economic environment, social environment, and so on. You may rather have people instead of manpower, or processes instead of methods. You may want equipment here. Information. If you're not producing a tangible good, you may rather have information here. So we've created a cause and effect diagram with classic categories. In a future video, we'll talk about how you use this. We can certainly insert other arrows to create subcategories. And so this is the basic format of a cause and effect diagram. Thank you.